Name, period, date, number, and everything on here. The date should be, we did this on 1/5, okay, 2022. That's the date you should put there, and name, period, all different. That's how you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 3 should be 6, but because after that is 7. Hopefully we finish 7 in class, but if we didn't, that's how you do 7. And then here, we didn't finish that, so I'm going to graph, or one of my class we did not. I'm going to graph Great Freight. The first one is 5, 12. 5, go up to 12, put a dot there. And then 14, 15, 60. 14, 15 is right here. And then 30, 22. 30, 22 is there. Connect the dots. There we go. This is the line for Great Freight. And then we're going to do grand shipping, 5, 10. 5, go up to 10. And then it's $14, $17. 14, 17, 20 cents is somewhere there. And then 30, 30 up here. Put grand. Noticed the exact intersection is the same as right here. $10 for 14. 10 pounds for $14, somewhere around that, right? Explain the graph. Okay. Grand, notice grand is cheaper before 10 pounds because the graph is lower. Grand is cheaper if you have less than 10 pounds. At 10 pounds, both company will charge $14, so it doesn't matter which one you choose, right? After 10 pounds, it's cheaper to use Great. It's cheaper because you notice the graph is lower. Lower means cheaper, okay? And then this page, I'll do numbers 1 through 5. And then you can do, I'll post the answer sheet up for 6 through 15. But I'll do example 1 through 5 here so you know if you're at home, you know what to do. Okay. So here, we use Pythagorean theorem because it's a right triangle, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It's a 90-degree angle, so the legs are 8 and 15. 8 squared plus 15 squared equals to c squared. C is h, so we're going to put h there for c. 64 plus 225 equals to h squared. 64 plus 225 is 289 is h squared. Take the square root. 289, square root of 289 is 17. So find 17, put letter H down here. Next one, same thing, a Pythagorean theorem because it's a right triangle. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A is 9, b is e. 9 squared plus e squared equals to c is 15 squared. So you get 81 plus e squared equals to 225. Minus 81 minus 81, you get 4 and 14 equals to e squared. Take the square root. Square root of 144 is 12. E is 12. 3, same thing. Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. A is s, b is 1.5 plus 1.5 squared equals c is 2.5. Okay, so you got s squared plus 2.25 equals to 6.25 minus 2.25 minus 2.25. S squared is equal to 4. Square root of 4 is 2. S is 2. S is 2, right there. Number 4, Pythagorean theorem again. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. A is 6, b is 8. Square it equals to t squared. 36 plus 64, that's 100. Square root of 100 is 10. T is 10. So find 10, put letter T. And 5, same thing. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. A is the 4, b is the g, and c is 20. 16 plus g squared equals to 400 minus 16. Square root of 384 is 19.59. This is a 9, so you round it up to 19.6. See, 19.6 is G. And then you do the rest that same way. Identify A, B, and C correctly. I'll post the answer in Google Classroom as a PDF.